Well, the weather here today is not playing ball. We have heavy rain. The pitch underfoot may very quickly become soggy and difficult to play upon, and the players will soon be soggy themselves. It is more than damp, and this will examine the fibre of both sides. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, always good to work with you. I'm really looking forward to this now.
Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground.
And this is now today's
Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
There's the whistle. Bradley. It's a good run down the right. Szoboszlai. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, Peter, it's hard to overlook this man, Ivan Perisic, who plays with a fire in his belly. You know, he likes to play as an out-and-out left winger. His greatest strengths being his work rate and crossing, but he'll do a good shift going backwards too.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Fairman. Dest. Now it's Perisic. Diaz. And here's the chance to counter.
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
That could spell trouble.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Bradley is very much the model of the modern-day fullback. Gravenberch. And he lines up a cross. And the keeper beats it away.
Oh, look, this is about as tentative as it comes. Hopefully, a football match will break.
It's Salah! And he's done it! First blood drawn. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
So the first moment of real significance.
Yeah, it's rare that one is enough, though, Peter. I get the feeling they'll be wanting another as soon as possible.
Shot a goal! That has not gone well. And here's Luc de Jong. Luc de Jong. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Robertson. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Oh, what's he giving here? He's given a penalty. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
A formality, we're level. Not a twitch, not a blink.
It's in, but only just. The keeper guessed correctly, and a heart-and-mouth moment for the taker.
The goal scorer after 26 minutes is number 9, Luke de Jong.
PSV grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Mohamed Salah going full steam down the flank. Nunez! Good delivery, but no joy.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the box means it's hard not to pick someone out.
Bradley. Lang. He's picked his way through. Lang. Now Fairman. Lang. Oh, that's fabulous. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. And that has left him in a heap. Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone. Gravenberg is being told in no uncertain terms that this will be his final warning.
I don't think you need to be an expert lip reader to know what's being said here.
Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Perisic, he has found the way through. That's very neat. It's Perisic! And he nearly went all the way.
I just hope he won't let the failure to score affect him. With the ability he has, he can reproduce.
He's had a hit! Oh, it's come loose. Alisson herring up for a header! Oh, crucial block!
There will be 3 minutes
And they've got rid.
time.
Jones. No luck with that dink over the top. And that has been clubbed away. Back into the middle. That is a great ball.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
And the half-time whistle goes. So half-time, and it is all square. Neither able to pull away from the other, but that is not due to any shortage of effort on either side. It's a goodish game, this, and at half-time, it's one each. So in they come for the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. So we're just settling back into this second half. Fair man. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Great ball if he can get there. And he's a big chance! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Substitution on the field. Number 17.
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact.
Number 8.
Fair man.
Somerslide. Number 7.
Till.
Luis Diaz. Number
Oh, that's a key
26,
interception.
Robertson.
Elliott.
Number 78.
No, he's just misjudged that one.
Coming on the field.
Cleared away.
Number 10. McAllister. Number 19. Elliott. Number 14. Chiesa. Number 21. Costas Tsimikas. Number
PSV have the chance to go the other way.
Substitutions taking place.
Pretty robust defending.
It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Looking for the run. Can he put it away? It's in! Into the lead once more. That was a given. It always was.
That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball, and it all came good.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that faith.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
Liverpool go into the lead. Fair man. Fair man being hounded, manhandled at times.
Well, he's the quarterback equivalent, so I'm not surprised that he's being closed down first.
PSV needing a change of fortune here.
28,997.
Bradley. Can he get it through? Now it's Mohamed Salah. That is a crunching tackle. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. And he's been shifted off it.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, they're looking a whole lot more urgent now.
A lucky break would certainly help their cause now.
Mohamed Salah! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Mohamed Salah actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
Kept out by the most elastic of saves.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
McAllister with the short one. And now a sudden chance to counter. That has ended up in no man's land. Bradley, who's set up one goal so far. PSV perhaps contemplating their next change here. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Well, what's he giving here? The referee has given a free kick just outside the box. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Nunez gets flagged offside.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
It could be in here. Well, that's pretty clear, it is a foul. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. He's gone direct. Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Driving forward. Van Dijk. McAllister. Looking for options for movement. Konate cuts out the pass. Gravenberg. That's a foul, no two ways about it. And he's going to have his name taken. Gravenberg.
Yeah, that works for me. The denial of movement, blunt and brusque.
Van Dijk gets over and intercepts. PSV are in a tearing hurry to save themselves here.
All they need is one big chance, and it may do the trick.
The final 5 minutes.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Chiesa goes on a run down the left wing. Chiesa proves just a little bit too... Up he goes! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Well, that's a move which shouldn't be allowed to repeat. A dribble, cross and attempt, all too easy. Well, they shouldn't be dawdling at this stage. They need to get the ball in the mixer and quickly.
He's got the shot away! Sticks it away! And this is getting better and better.
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Liverpool could not have picked a better time to snatch a two-goal lead. Is there still time for a response?
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
McAllister gets a foot in here. 5 minutes to add. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. And he has shown him a yellow card. The whistle has gone and it is all over. Well, that's a tough one. Losing is never good, but this one feels especially hard to take. Not a lot that went glaringly wrong, but the result is one that will make them suffer. So, Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
Well, there was a distinct lack of clarity.